Hi, in this video we'll look at the data maintained in the company tab. So in the mid office, in company tab, we maintain the company details like the company name, company ID, the ITA number, the registered address, contact details like phone, email, website address, and certain configurations to be enabled or disabled at the company level. So these are all the basic details maintained in the company details. Now moving ahead to departments. So here we can create various departments in the company. So when I click on add new department, it enables to create a new department. Here I'll have to mention the department name and the function or the description, and a new department is created. And also besides the department, we see the eye icon. So if I click on this eye icon, it enables the reports, the reports access. So the reports which is displayed on the dashboard and the reports which can be downloaded for the bookings done. So here beside each of the reports, we see the checkbox which can be enabled or disabled, and accordingly we allow or restrict access to those particular departments. So if for this particular department we want to allow access to certain reports, we will check the box, and if we want to restrict the access, we uncheck the box and save the details. So dashboard reports are the reports seen on logging into the booking engine. On the dashboard itself we see the layout of this report, and the normal reports can be displayed under reports tab in the booking engine again. So there are multiple reports which we have, and as per the department functions we can allow and restrict access to the departments. So moving ahead to job titles. So here we can create multiple job titles in the company, similarly as we created departments. So here we mention the job title and the function description, and the job title gets saved. So next is branch. Also we can create multiple branch for the company. So to create a new branch, we click on add new branch. We'll have to mention this data like the code, branch name, address. So these are the mandatory details. So the one which we see highlighted in pink are the mandatory details which need to be filled and saved. And once we save this data, we can see the branch under the branch list here. So these are the important details maintained in the company tab. Thank you.